Hello everyone, welcome to the new video. Let's learn counting number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Wow, lots of yellow and blue color toys. Bye bye. Wow, this is a toy bicycle. Yellow, pink, blue, white, black. Wow. This is a toy bicycle. Wow. Wow. Bye bye. Wow. This is a ball bullet toy gun. Orange, yellow, green, blue. Wow. Lots of colorful here. Wow. Green. This is green color plastic bullet. Wow. Yellow. Wow. Wow. Bye bye. Wow, this is a toy hammer. Wow. Yellow, blue. Wow, this is a toy hammer. Bye bye. Wow, this is a magical toy mobile. Yellow, white, black. Wow. Wow, nice songs. Bye bye. Wow, this is another ball bullet toy gun. Blue, yellow, green, orange. Wow. Wow. Orange, this is orange color plastic ball bullet. Green. Wow. Bye bye. Wow, this is another toy bicycle. Black color head. Wow. Orange, white, blue, pink. Wow. 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 Bye bye. Wow, this is a candy color friend. Yellow, white, yellow. Lots of colorful candy here. Wow. Wow. Bye bye. Wow, this is fancy umbrella toys. Orange, yellow, orange. Lots of colorful fancy here. This is fancy umbrella. Wow. Bye bye. Wow, this is a soft gun. Orange, blue, yellow. Wow. Green, this is green color plastic bullet. Green and orange. Wow. Bye bye.